Okay, so hello guys, welcome back at Malialhab Fitness, and on today's session I'm going to take you through a tutorial on how to make a clean push-ups, pull-ups, jumps. With the clean push-ups, pull-ups, jumps, what you have to maintain are three things, which the first is your upper body with the core, and then the third is your leg. So the upper body, your arms should be strong, which means you should be able to do a clean push-ups. With the support of your core should also be strong, and your legs should have a horsepower strength, which will be able to lift your body as high as possible. With the legs, lift the lower body, and the arms, lift the upper body. So this is the tutorial on how we're going to make a clean push-ups, pull-ups, jumps. So guys, like the video, subscribe, comment, and do share the video to a friend. Thank you. Okay, so guys, on our first workout, we're going to have the normal push-ups, which the thing we have to maintain is your elbows should not move at the outwards direction, but you always point back. So we're going to have the push-ups. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button below, and do comment what you think about my videos. Thank you guys. It's Malialhab.